Okay, web app people, I did not forget about you. So, board and title block, this is for number 17. Remember, I'm going to be typing in commands. The commands are the exact same that you use when you're in class on the desktop version. Remember, there's a couple, like very, 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 very few things that the web app does that the software, at least the 19 software, doesn't. 19 is what we have in school. So I'm going to go ahead and just start drawing the bottom here. Full disclosure, um, I never use this, obviously. I use it with you guys and doing these demos, but so some stuff may look like, why is Sadowski doing it that way? Why is he drawing a line, then deleting it, and then putting it back? That's probably because I'm not good at using the web app. So all I'm doing is putting in, 0.5. Using our green line, our handy green lines to help us out. I'm using our object snaps, those little boxes and shapes that are popping up there. Go L again, line. Go down here, because now I'm going to draw a circle. And I don't even, what is the circle? To see, yep, circle, there we go. And I want to go right from here. It looks like it's doing radius, is what that looks like. So 3/8 radius. Okay, I have a screen, just so you guys know. I've got this screen over here on my other screen, the drawing up on my screen on the other side. Okay, so there's the bottom half of it. Now I'm going to go to the top, or not top view, but the top half of it. Now I'm going to show you two different ways to do this on here. Okay, let's show you this. Let's show you the kind of easier way first. I'm going to go up 1.5 and over here, use our green lines to help us track that. To have that, sorry, if you don't know when I'm drawing lines and like I want to stop, I can either hit escape, which you can hear me bang on my keyboard sometimes, or I right click and just say confirm. And to get rid of these, I'm just clicking on it. Oh, this is another thing. Web app, darn you. It doesn't like allow you to select multiple. To select multiple in the web app, you have to click on that and then hold down shift, and then you can select multiple things. Unlike the desktop version where you can just click away. All right, how we put these angles in here? We can do them manually, which I will show you, or there's another way. Now, this command isn't on here. It would be somewhere underneath here, under fillet, but it's called chamfering. This that way. So we can just type it in. And there it is, chamfer. So I want to do the angle. And to put these angles in here, remember they're 0.5 down, so it's asking me for the length of the first line. I want to be 0.5, so 0.5. Okay, and then you can see I kind of did this before already, so 47. Okay. And I want to go this, like that. I want to do it again. All my stuff is still in there, you can see 0.5. Here, and there it puts it in there right there for me. Isn't that nice? That's nice. Now the other way, scoot this over here. You can manually put in angles. So if I had this here, you can see how I've got all these lines stretching and going everywhere. The white box with the reddish, cyanish color has my length, and then the other one that says right next to tab, it says my degrees. I can switch that and tab and toggle back and forth in between. If I want that to be 47 degrees, it'll lock in there at 47 degrees. I'm going to do it the other way. This is with all AutoCAD, not just web app. So I can't do 47 degrees because it'll be 47 degrees will go this way again. Yes, hopefully we can see that. It's got to go this way. I'm doing it on the other side. So what I have to do is do 180. See how my order told you. Okay, see how my 180 over there? Okay, what I've got to do is go over here and do 180 minus 47, so 133. and that's how you'll manually put that in there. Then I just, wherever the line needs to go, I usually offset a line up to here and have it cross and just trim this stuff up. But that's kind of how you do it manually, or you can always use chamfer. All right. So now let's finish this thing off. Line, go down, 0.5, over, zoom in, stuff's in the way. 55. No. I'll just trim. On the web app, I found it a lot easier just to type in whatever I want because a lot of the menus aren't here. So I'm going to type it away on here. Hey, get straight. 1.5. Start pulling off of here. Like that. This goes back at what? It's 1. And top. Just get my green line. Come on. Go. And go 5. And down to here. Stretch this guy across. In there. Delete this one. And what else we got? We got some stuff, other stuff going on here. We have this line number. That. Let's trim that. Okay. We also do have the offset. We need this, and then my distance is going to be 5. And we are going to have to change that. So if we select this, and my properties, oh, look what it does. The big blob popped up on there. And our colors, I bet you my color's not going to be on here. It's not, so I got to make it something crazy like that. All right, and the lines going, our hidden lines going here. Trim for a hole. Goes out of there. Wow, what did I just do that for? What a dummy. Oh, why is that not? Why? Oh, is it not recognizing that line? That's not cool. Really not cool. Yeah. Not cool. AutoCAD web app. Cool at all. Talking up another win for the desktop version. So it doesn't recognize. Oh, does not recognize those hidden lines. That's, and then make those hidden. This one hidden too. There you go. All right. So there's our hidden edge back there and our hole. This one doesn't go as hidden because it has an edge line covering it. And when you have an edge covering up over a hidden like edge, the actual edge line or object line takes precedence, is what that is called. So here, okay, so we say 5. This right off of our paper. Like I can move this stuff down. There we go. All right, now it's offset. This guy, let's do that back. Well, I need one. That's going to be back one. And actually, I need another one. That's going to be back 25. And I need that. I need that one. And I need trim for that. Then I need the edge lines on top. They do not line up with these little guys right there. And then I'll trim them. I'll just delete them. And then these two over here. Yes, I could stretch this all the way. There we go. That. Come on. There we go. Okay, then I do need my hidden line. But because web apps being such a pain, I'm going to make it solid. And I'll leave it there so I know which is which. And make it this. Hold down shift. Like that. Change this color there like that. Then trim them. Delete them. And then now I'll change them. Oop, shift, multiple, and say hidden. Now you guys will probably have way more options down here. My version doesn't because Sadowski never gets anything that works. Okay, then to dimension, again, we're gonna have to do some, different type stuff. I like that it's red already. Oh, yours will not come up like this. I brought this over from this border and title block, as you can see, for web app. I already had done dim style and everything else at school, or I'm sorry, at on the desktop version. So that's why my parameters are already set. You're seeing all this stuff. Yours will be white. Your numbers will be white as well, and then you will have to go in and get over there and change them up here with your extension lines and things like that. So that's how you draw this thing. Let me see if there's really anything else I should show you guys. Yeah, the smart dimensioning thing on here is kind of unique to where you can go like this, and try and get that angular dimension on there. Why it's not letting me? Oh, that's why angular. Go like that and throw our 47 over there. That'll work. The other one is when you dimension this guy over here. There we go. Get that to pop up. Put him over there. We can do this like this. And 9/16. So we can always do the one nice thing about AutoCAD, the web app. And go like this. Oops. Go like this and say, hey, I want that to be 1/2. And we can take it and move it in here. All right. this one. Well, why the line? What am I doing? So as we've kind of talked about, a little bit more cumbersome if you want to uh, do this in like do your drawing at home and then try and come in and dimension it before you submit at really don't like this set there at school on the desktops at school. It's probably a good strategy because not totally painful, but this isn't too cool. I don't want to move that thing too. I don't like where that thing is. Put you over here. Put you over here. So I have this distance is over here. I can figure that out. That's half. Got that. Got that. I do need some stuff over here for this guy. Like this. I need this. I'm gonna need the depth too of this. That. Okay. I think that's about it. That should be it. I'm actually running out of time because one of my classes starts in a second. So check the other video to see the final version. I'm pretty sure that's almost all of them though. But there you go. That's full demonstration of the web app for number 17, AutoCAD number 17.